Welcome to the active adult community of Sun Lakes in Sun Lakes, Arizona. I'm Lydia Wietzma with Revelation Real Estate, and I'm going to introduce you to my latest listing. Located in the guard-gated community of Oakwood, this home offers 2 bedrooms, a den, and a little under 2,000 square feet. The kitchen has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large island. With new paint and carpet, this home is move-in ready. The community center, which offers a pool, gym, restaurant, golf, and tennis, is within walking distance to this home. For more information about this beautiful home, contact me, Lydia Wietzma, at 602-363-1720. Thank you very much.